Saitama has the strongest sneeze ever. In the Monster Association arc, when Saitama was fighting Cosmic Garo on Io, one of Jupiter's moons, after blocking a punch, Saitama winds up a serious sneeze, to which Garo narrowly avoids. But the shockwave of the sneeze kept going, destroying the surface of Io and hitting Jupiter, sending gases from the planet into the space around. The fight gets even weirder. After Garo thinks he got away from Saitama, he practically teleports behind Garo, causing him to panic. Saitama reveals he was able to do this because he farted, and that gave him the momentum to catch up to him.